behind everything we did with the eye stands the gesture of Mercury. And the gesture of Mercury is that you just stand upright and your left arm points towards the earth. And it points even a little bit behind yourself, there. But it does not move. It really is a centering force. Not powerful that you cannot bend it, but just centering. It's really strong and penetrating. Like, a little bit like a sting, but when you try to feel it longer and you feel it longer, you can get the feeling now you couldn't even shake it anymore. It's just becoming encompassed by forces which carry it. So just let go to relax. Just by feeling it, this posture becomes stabilized. The right arm is a circle on the other side. So you just, without much effort, put the left arm, just indicate the left arm is at the left side. And the right arm is at the opposite side, but circling. And it circles in front and next to the head. It comes back. And next to the head, it goes to the side and forward again. Great. So, and just relax your arms that they don't get heavy. Now, you could try to feel these are two different words. Here, one arm, thin, unmovable, connecting to qualities of the earth, penetrating it. The other arm, connecting with the light, and the movability, and the circling around something, uplifting qualities. If these would be wings, I could fly away. So wonderful. But here, somebody is holding me fast and saying, you stay here. And the other arm says, come on, let's fly away, let's fly quicker and farther. And the other arm says, no. So, and then let go again. Earnestness, narrow-mindedness, perhaps on one side, and wide horizon, connected to who am I, where do I come from, on the other. And so when we do the Venus gesture, you might remember there is this quality when you go to the left arm which carries the arm up from the earth. And on the surface of the earth it can glide into our past. And from our past, it comes closer to us, leading us into our depths. And then we have this process from the heart. We connect this connectedness to the earth lovingly with other beings, which are also living in earth, like us. And here there is no connection, no direct connection with my friends and companions, not even, and my depths as we had in Jupiter. It's not bringing its life forward, but the depths are just there. They are there, and the lightness is there. And now you can try what do you have to do that it's not pulling you apart. And one thing is what you can try is that the left arm creates the axis around which the right arm can circle. And that the right arm, in a way that the left arm feels a little bit what the right arm up there is doing. And let go. So where's the heart of this movement? And when you just move the right arm and you do it a little bit more connected to your inner being, and you start up here, then you just let go, but use the left arm a little bit. And then remember with the left arm, that was the realm of the earth. And now you can try that the right arm strokes over the surface of the earth. And then it rises and it reconnects you with your space behind. And here it makes it even, sensible, touchable a little bit. And when you remember that we have access to sort of wing system, and you just go 2 steps forward perhaps, and you let your arms, you feel the back, you turn your hands in a way that the back of the hands looks backwards. And then you can let your arms rise just by feeling your back, and you can try to do it as weightlessly as possible. And you can let it sink again. And then you can even have the feeling that when the arms rise, that the space behind pulls you back, and you just follow. And then let go. And when you do, now let's always integrate the left arm a little bit. It's just there. But when the right arm comes, that you invite the back of your head to bring your arm up and back. And then let it sink again. Bring it forward. And then it's not so much the shoulder blades, but it's really the upper system, the wings of your head, which bring the arms back. And then you can even notice that when this has happened, and this letting go has happened, that you can use your left arm, intensify the left arm, that you can have the feeling of the surface of the earth created for the right arm. So you intensify your sensation of the left arm, and that makes your hand glide horizontally. You hold, bring it back, and you let go. Then relax and breathe. I hope you made enough pauses in between. I just tried to pass on a few ideas with which you can experiment, because the question is, how do I stand between these 2 words? So use this gesture to experience these 2 different ways of being connected with the earth and with the spirit in different ways. And then try to make you aware that maybe this quality is the one who makes it possible that I'm standing as an eye on earth. And connect, or try to Just feel a little bit into this direction. Then let go, breathe. And just notice, how do my arms feel now? How do I perceive myself? And then carefully sit down, take along with what we've been practicing, and listen to the resonance. How do your arms feel now? You have moved them a lot. They might ache a little, they might not, but next to all these impressions, what else do you notice? Yeah, you might not astonished that in one way or the other you have impressions. But what about your legs? How do they react? Are they neutral, or what do they show now? And then you look at your breathing, not only on the physical level, but what it feels like. If you think your breathing has wings, are they spread out widely? Are they resting on the body? Like a bird on a tree? Or both? And how do you sense the distribution of light and darkness now in your body? What is prevalent? And where is the other?